All right, let's bring it back to first warning weather now because we had a very active evening and most of those showers are now gone at this point. We knew this would happen, but the extent of it actually is traveling through Travis County into Williamson County, obviously building up and bringing severe with it as well, severe weather with it, including hail. This is all that's left. The radar barely picking up anything as it moves out towards Temple. We were watching the last of it move through Milam, but here's where we got the most amount of rainfall. Looks like Williamson County obviously got the bulk of this, about 1.75 inches as you get in between Pflugerville, getting into about Round Rock here. And then out towards the east, you go farther down, looks like 79, and you actually get about 1 inch and almost a half there. And then as you get down into Austin, and this is just over the past hour, you get about 1/4 of an inch. They actually saw about over 1 inch in total over the past couple of hours. Now our eyes are out towards the hill country, get farther out towards West Texas, and we actually have another round of thunderstorms that have been building up and moving out towards the east. At this point, it looks like they're about 40 to 45 miles away from actually entering Mason County. So we're going to continue to monitor it. There have been some cases of severe weather with this as well. As you can see, lots of lightning associated with this storm. So while the metro got its round of storms, it looks like the hill country is next. And we'll continue to monitor this to see how well it holds up and if it actually makes it into the hill country. Temperatures right now, 74 degrees in Austin. We're looking at winds coming in from the east at around 3 miles per hour, much calmer winds from what we saw earlier today. We still have that Category 1, that marginal risk for the hill country, and that's thanks to the storms that we're now starting to see about 40 miles out of Mason. So we could see the same thing, potential of hail, strong winds. We zoom out a bit more. We've already seen tornado warnings pop up in portions of the Big Bend area, and it looks like we could see all of anything in yellow, essentially from the Panhandle down to the Big Bend area within that Category 2, and could see more thunderstorms rolling in. So let's play this out over the next couple of hours and see exactly where this leads. This is our graph model. This one's saying at midnight we should start seeing a lot of that really starting to flow through as we get into around the 2 a.m. hour. Some of it should hold, and we'll get a few more showers into the metro and out towards the eastern counties. And as we get into Wednesday, we could see a few more showers off and on pretty much all day long, leading out into Thursday, where we get another round of possible showers coming in. So essentially Wednesday, Thursday, our next two best chances of seeing a few showers out there. And then Friday, things start to wind down just a tad. We'll get a few isolated showers here and there. So for tonight, again, we're going to be watching for hail. We've already seen some pass through Williamson County. Now we have that next chance for the hill country. Strong winds as well as you get farther out towards the east. Rain chances do diminish as we get out towards Friday. Once we get to Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy skies. It doesn't look like very much will happen for us pretty much within the first part of the weekend, or even into the later part of the weekend as well. So 84 for tomorrow, 86 as we get into Thursday, 88 for Friday. Again, the chances of rainfall start to diminish past Thursday. As we get into Saturday, we're looking at 89, by Sunday 91, and by Monday 91 degrees. And remember, stay ahead of any potential weather overnight and even later this week. Scan that QR code there on your screen so you can actually download the KXAN First Warning Weather app. It's absolutely free. You can get real-time alerts and even traffic overlaid with the weather radar.